Hello everyone, this is Atya and I'm back with another video. Today there is an update from Department of State on change in the vaccination requirement for all immigrant visa applicants, K-visa applicants or some non-immigrant applicants who are subject to medical exam should be fully vaccinated either with the WHO approved vaccine or FDA approved vaccine, which means get fully vaccinated as soon as possible to avoid visa processing delays. Usually on Fridays, we used to see the updates on US Embassy and Consulate in India through Visa Fridays. And as expected, this week Visa Fridays was not conducted. Probably they are working on the visa priority, which is going to be in place in the month of November and December. When it comes to travel ban, everyone are expecting the exact date when they will lift the travel ban. And so many speculations are also going on and people are waiting to book their tickets as the prices might go high after the announcement is in place. And the question related to travel ban has been raised today in White House, and for that press secretary has answered that they will be able to confirm it before November, which means we still have just 4 weeks to know the exact date when the travel ban is going to be lifted and the new policy details. Next, let's get into Q&A session. So these are the questions which has been asked by our viewers in the past couple of videos. So the first question is, if you're planning to travel from US to India, number one, please wait for the next update from US government wherein what are the travel guidelines or the travel policies which is going to be in place. Number two, if you are looking for the slots availability, make sure that you book your slots before you travel. And for the people who have already booked their slots in the month of November, still you have a chance of booking your slots in the month of October, because from my friends I'm able to understand that there are a lot of slots available for work visa. So try getting a slots in the month of October if you fall under NIE or exempted category. When it comes to student visa, even now the slots are available, and if you are not able to get a slots now, you can still try getting a slots in coming weeks, because the consulate is well aware that spring semester is coming up, and so the priority for students will be given. When it comes to C1D visa category, there were a lot of people asking for this visa category, and our viewers confirmed that a C1D visa processing is still going on and they were able to get their approvals. So try getting a slot and get your visa done. Till now, there is no specific update which has been shared by the consulate for B1, B2 and R visa, as because we have already got update on the lift of travel ban. Probably once the date is announced, we will get an update on this category as well. So this is what we have for today, and let's closely monitor the operation status of consulate in terms of slots availability and priority, especially after US is going to lift the travel ban. So maybe we can expect a lot of changes or updates from the consulate end as well. So stay tuned with Purna Arti Vlog for more and more updates on embassy, immigration, travel and vlogs. Stay healthy, stay safe, take care. Bye-bye.